Welcome to Star Chat, the podcast that explores the wonders of the universe and all its secrets. As we embark on this journey through the cosmos, let's start with a question that has puzzled humans for centuries. Are we alone in the universe? The search for life beyond Earth is an ongoing quest, with scientists scouring the galaxy for planets that might be capable of supporting life. When astronomers talk about habitable exoplanets, what do they really mean? Are they suggesting that these worlds could be a second home for humanity, or that they're teeming with alien life? The answer is neither. When scientists say a distant world is habitable, they simply mean that the conditions on that planet are right for life to exist, possibly just microbial life. Let's take a closer look at our own solar system. We know Earth is habitable, but what about the other planets and moons? Some scientists think Venus may have been habitable in the past, but climate change turned it into the scorching furnace we know today. Mars may have also been more habitable in the past, when an ocean covered much of its surface. And then there are the moons of Saturn and Jupiter, like Enceladus and Europa, which have oceans that could potentially support life. The search for habitable exoplanets is an exciting area of research, with scientists using a variety of methods to identify planets that might be capable of supporting life. They're looking for terrestrial planets with the potential for water on their surfaces and studying the atmospheres of these worlds for signs of biological activity. One of the most promising leads is a planet called K2-118b, which may have a deep hydrogen atmosphere and a global water ocean. Another is Wolf 169b, an Earth-size and Earth-mass exoplanet orbiting in the habitable zone of its star, just 31 light-years away. These discoveries are giving us hope that we might one day find life beyond our planet. The search for life in the universe is a complex and ongoing quest, but with each new discovery, we're getting closer to answering the question, are we alone? The Habitable Worlds Observatory, a proposed mission that would launch in the late 2030s or early 2040s, could be a game-changer in this search. This dedicated observatory would help astronomers study exoplanets in habitable zones, giving us a better understanding of the conditions necessary for life to exist. As we continue to explore the universe and push the boundaries of our knowledge, we're reminded of just how small we are in the grand scheme of things. And yet, it's this curiosity and drive to discover that makes us human. We'll be right back with more fascinating space news on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat. We're exploring the wonders of the universe, and today we're diving into the fascinating world of star formation. Imagine being able to witness the birth of new stars, shining bright like diamonds in the vast expanse of space. The Hubble Space Telescope has given us a glimpse into this incredible process, capturing stunning images of protostars and their surrounding nebulae. Let's take a journey through the Cepheus, a region located about 2,400 light-years away in the constellation Cepheus. This high-mass star-forming region is home to a collection of baby stars, including one large and luminous protostar that accounts for about half of the region's brightness. As we gaze upon these breathtaking images, we see pink and white nebulae illuminated by the intense ultraviolet radiation of nearby stars. We're also exploring other star-forming regions, like Geo 3391 plus 021, where a hidden protostar is nestled within a reflection nebula, its light bouncing off gas and dust to create a glittering effect. And in the Gal 30520 plus 0.21 region, we find an emission nebula, glowing gas ionized by a protostar buried within a complex of gas and dust clouds. These images are not just visually stunning, they also provide valuable insights into the formation of massive stars. By studying the properties of these young stars, like their outflows, environment, mass, and brightness, scientists can test theories about massive star formation. The SOFIA Massive Star Formation Survey is helping us better understand how stars like our Sun come to be, and the role that massive stars play in shaping the universe. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we're reminded of the awe-inspiring beauty and complexity of the universe. The birth of new stars is a reminder that the universe is always evolving, always changing, and always full of wonder. Welcome back to Star Chat. As we wrap up today's show, let's take a look at what's in store for us in the night sky this year. If you're an avid stargazer or just starting to explore the wonders of the universe, 2026 is shaping up to be a great year for comet spotting. We've got several comets that are expected to make an appearance, and we're excited to share them with you. First up, there's the new comet CG225R2, which is expected to be visible after sunset. Then, we have Comet 3I-ATLA, an interstellar comet that's still visible through larger telescopes or smaller ones equipped with cameras, although it's gradually becoming fainter as it moves out of our solar system. We're also looking forward to the arrival of Comet C225R2 Swan, which is expected to be a great sight in the coming months. And if you're interested in seeing a comet up close, keep an eye out for Comet 10PP Tempel 2, which will be passing by Earth at a distance of about 3825 million miles. Another notable mention is Comet C2025R3 C Swan. Although we don't have as much information on this one yet, it's definitely worth keeping an eye out for. Whether you're a seasoned astronomer or just starting to explore the night sky, these comets are sure to provide some amazing views. So mark your calendars and get ready to witness some breathtaking celestial events. That's all for today's Star Chat. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, remember to keep looking up at the stars.